What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Don't Press the Button 4 with my sister Ellie. And right now we are crossing this obby. Yes, we are crossing this obby. And I won't post probably until Saturday this week.
Oh my god.
Because I'm gonna be at my grandparents. Or I might post, guys. I might post. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Snowman has no help. Ooh, what's this? Escape the burning building symbol. So just run up to the top. Oh! Okay, get down. Guys, I died. How would you do that? But you have to go down instead of up. Vacation. Yay, it's a vacation. Yay. I'm just chilling. Okay, guys. Well, that's enough chilling. Button pressure.
Don't get it off my toilet paper. Get away.
Can we end the vacation already? Good for her. It's called Don't Press the Button, guys. Why are we pressing the button? It just doesn't make sense. I think these actually sync. Oh, guys, dang it. Man. There's a literal tsunami. Oh, you made it? Oh, you made it? My sister made it, guys. Very surprising. But anyway, guys, we are waiting for that tsunami to continue.
I don't know. I can run by. I don't know what that was.
Be careful, there are... Oh, this is easy. Easy.
No, this is not.
Easy money. Easy. Easy. Reach the bottom. Oh!
Oh, don't cut.
Okay. This is pretty easy. Oh shoot! Okay, right, that was close. Okay. I made it!
Oh, I died.
Woohoo. Okay, guys, well, I made it. I guess I made it. I guess.
Oh!
Oh, dang it, I died.
Gotcha.
Yeah, they ran. Yay!
No!
Yay! Oh, dang it! Oh, I recognize this from another Roblox game. Bro, I am so hungry right now, guys. I'm filming this video at like 5 o'clock in the evening, so I am hungry. Like, I am the hungriest kid on earth. Let's hope I collect the most, guys. That'd just be good. I beat my sister in this on eviction notice. I was just going around the room. The red person. Who won?
Watch out!
Okay. You can just go over here.
That was
The giant noob. Oh. Whee! Ellie, where are you? Huh? Oh, guys, I'm just gonna Guys, I am like so hungry right now.
Spending time with you.
Rawr.
I love you. Let's make things.
Okay, guys, so this person right here has a sword. Sorry if I missed that. No, guys, I died. Oh, you got the smart
Why I'm still up in that?
How did you do
I want to learn how to
Score a goal.
No!
No! This way. And. No. And. Who won? We scored. We.
I'll
How?
go the other side.
Score! Just score!
No!
In the bot and the goal.
Not outside.
I think I pressed it.
Let's go.
I grabbed a ring, I guess. Like it really matters who grabs the most. I got like 50. Yeah, I'm just gonna go to the bottom. Oh, get that gold. I got 6 rings.
Help me.
Oh! This should be pretty easy.
Guys, I got a jump!
Oh! I died. Guys, we gotta find the button. For some reason, I like 96. Where is 96?
Does anyone know if one is
I found it. I found it.
26, guys. No, y'all.
Guys, I am like starving right now.
That's how it happens.
Okay, one more round, guys. One more round. One more round. Oh, I died. Okay. Okay, guys, we're gonna do one more.
Oh, God. Oh.
Last round, guys. But how do you come to that side? We might win this, guys. Oh yeah, let's play.
No! Stop it!
I think we won, guys. Yeah, we definitely. No, they're on the blue team, Ellie. Yay, we won! They were on the red team. Okay, guys, that's all we had for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.